Today, one of the main issues in agenda is peace around the world. Last Monday, I had mulaqat with Huzur, and during the interview, Huzur said that his book, World Crisis and Pathway to Peace, should be delivered to the prominent people of Turkish government as well. This is why we are right now trying to finish the translation of this valuable literature, and inshallah in the next few weeks we will get it printed, and this will be distributed among the members of government and parliament in Turkey.
Yeah, by grace of Allah, Canada Jamaat has made progress during this time. We have three purpose-built mosques, as I mentioned earlier, in Toronto, Calgary, and now in Vancouver. In addition to these purpose-built mosques, we have mission houses in about 15 Jamaats. At present, we have about 25 missionaries working in Canada. The anti-ahmadiyya Canada has produced 3 batches of its missionaries who are already in the field, and the 4th batch is now having the field training. So by grace of Allah, we have seen support of Allah with the Jamaat in the various parts of Canada.
Now the Jamaat is established all over the country, and in the last few months, some villages, joined the Jamaat in total. The whole village embraced the Jamaat. So that has been a great, breakthrough for the Jamaat in the country. And we have members of the Jamaat in prominent positions, actually.
I think the biggest goal for us is now the Tabligh effort. And I'm glad to say, I'm very proud to say, that Hazrat Khalifatul Masih al-Khamis, Awliya Ta'ala bin Aziz, gave us a target last year to deliver 100,000 leaflets knocking on the door in 6 months. And we delivered them in 5 months and 3 weeks. And the conversions, we have converts. I'm there since 2003, and in that time over nearly 30 people have converted.
I have a friend who invited me as a guest that I met 6 years ago in Ashgabat, Turkmenistan. And so we've had lots of chats and discussions, and here I am.
It very much has been a joyful, loving embracement. And I find that I'm not a stranger, nor am I typecast by not being Ahmadiyya.
This first Jalsa has been very, very positive. I'm sitting there listening, I'm listening to the speeches, I'm listening to the poems. The next thing I know, I'm crying because I'm just so full and I feel so blessed.
It's been all that I thought it would be, and more, as far as coming and getting closer to the people that I knew and to the people that I hadn't met before. And it's just a glorious reaffirmation of being an Ahmadiyya. There's no other beauty that I feel on this earth than being an Ahmadiyya Muslim.
Everybody's willing to help and go out of themselves to introduce themselves and listen to you. And of course, women, when women get together, that's a real, you're automatically with your sisters. So I've met a lot of sisters in this weekend, so I'm real thankful for that.